Hi guys, it's Jem and welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today's video, it's gonna be an intro tutorial. Yes, again, since you guys have requested for it and it garnered the highest votes from my last poll, so here it is. And I'm happy to let you know that the month of August will be full of tutorial videos. Yes, that's a promise. Since I had a 2-week break from YouTube World, yes, YouTube World, and I think that's enough for me to reflect on some things and to think of new creative ideas that I can share. Since it's very fulfilling and overwhelming at the same time to know that I'm able to help someone with their YouTube journey, especially the small YouTubers out there like me who are just starting and editing their videos using phone. So hopefully you can learn a thing or two from this tutorial again. And if you want to know how I did Bianca Gan's intro using phone, please keep on watching. For the first step, we have to download an old TV as well as an animated heart that you can get from Pinterest or from Google. Next is to download stickers. Again, you can get them from Google, or if you want to have cute illustrations, PixArt can provide you a lot. All you have to do is to open a transparent background, add sticker, and choose whatever you want, and then click apply and save them one by one. For the text, we'll make it in OverApp, open a transparent background, add text and type your YouTube channel name, and then I used the Garcia's font style and I just applied a text color as well as shadow. To repeat the process, you have to duplicate the first page, change the text, and type your video title. After typing the necessary text, save all pages. For the last step, we will be combining them all. I used Videolip but any app will do. Sadyang nasanay lang talaga ako sa Videolip kaya ito yung ginagamit ko sa lahat ng tutorials ko. Import a plain background and then nag-import din ako ng screen recording ng video intro ni Bianca para guide. Click mixer, import the animated heart as well as the old TV. Resize it as small as possible. Adjust their duration based on the timeline of Bianca's intro. And then the next step is to add keyframe. Naturo ko na to from my past tutorials, so panoorin nyo na lang if ever hindi pa. Na-explain ko kasi kung paano talaga mag-add ng keyframe. So dito, 2 keyframes per picture yung gagamitin natin. The first keyframe is the original size of the image. And then the second keyframe is i-resize mo siya or palalakihin to achieve the zoom in animation. So same process with the old TV para mag-sync sila or parehas yung galaw nila for the intro. After that, click mixer again and import your YouTube channel name, and we will apply keyframe animation too. So for the first keyframe, the original size or the smaller one, and for the second keyframe, resize it again or enlarge it to achieve the zoom in animation just like what we did to the old TV and animated heart. And then we will now add the stickers based on the timing or beat of the music. I used Bianca Gan's intro as my guide kung kailan mag-a-appear yung mga sticker, so I can adjust the duration and you can also place them wherever you want. The next step is to add your video title and isasakto mo ulit siya dun sa beat or timing ng music and adjust the duration of all the image layers that you put and preview your work. After checking your work, kung wala naman ng problems and sakto na lahat ng timeline or duration ng mga image layers, it's now the time for you to save it. If you have reached this point, thank you so much. And because of that, I've provided or I have included a template of this particular intro which you can use for free. All you have to do is just to add text, which is your YouTube name and video title. Yun. Kung gusto nyong less hassle and mag-save ng time, gumamit na lang ng template, yun, you can use it for free. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And gusto ko lang din i-share or baka nakikita nyo na sa baba that we just hit 1,000 subscribers. Grabe. Kasi, guys, thank you so much. Hanggang ngayon, di pa rin ako makapaniwala. Kinikilig pa rin ako kasi parang, wala, di ko talaga din in-expect. And it's all because of your love and support sa mga videos ko, sa mga naghihintay ng tutorials ko. Yan, thank you so much. Big thing siya kasi talaga for me. Kasi nung nagsistart pa lang ako, grabe yung doubt ko sa sarili ko and sa craft ko. Parang di ko alam if may manonood ba. But, ayun, paunti-unti may mga nakaka-appreciate. Kaya, ayun, thank you so much, guys. And it pushed me more to create videos and to keep sharing to you guys. So, thank you so much. And if there are parts or steps from my tutorials that you weren't able to understand well, my DM on Instagram is open 24/7. Charot. Follow me on Instagram and DM me. Kasi, mas nakakapag-reply or answer ako doon actively. And yun, pwede kayong mag-ask about editing, yun, other stuff. Yan. And if you have other video suggestions or intro that you want me to recreate, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to do them. Just don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.